Okay, so if you follow the link that I just shared in WhatsApp, you should come to this site. This is the properties of the map. You can open the map by clicking the blue button at the upper right that says Open in Map Viewer. Now at this point, you can change the titles of the layers on the left. For example, EPAS survey region is in the upper left layer. You could click on the three dots and you'll see that rename is one of the options. You could change that to Kurdish there. But the most powerful thing about the latest version of field maps is the ability to have these customized forms. And that's it's those forms that you were manipulating when you loaded the app on your phone. To change that, you have to go into the form designer. So to do that, from this window in the upper right corner next to your name, you'll see those 9 little dots in a square. If you tap that, it opens up a bunch of other apps that are within the ArcGIS Online program. Now you'll see on mine in the upper left is a blue colored hexagon that says Field Maps Designer. This is the app that you use to edit these forms. So I'm going to click on Field Maps Designer. So within that, you'll see a list of all of the maps that you have access to, and you should see the Kurdish EPAS 2023 online field map. So I'm going to tap that to open that in Field Designer. Now, on the left column, you'll see there's a list of options, and one of which is this the series of layers here. It's the second icon from the top. If you click that, you'll see all of the layers that are in the map. Now, in our map, we really only edit the site data and the waypoints and the spot elevation. So I'm going to go into waypoints as an example. So I'll tap on that. And here, now you'll see this is what the form looks like when it appears on your phone in the Field Maps app. We have the editing form for the waypoint class, which is a series of choices, and then we have the notes field. So if you tap on any one of these, so I'll tap on waypoint class, you'll see on the right side, you can format it. So you can change the display name. So here you might want to change that to waypoint class in Kurdish. You can also change aspects, like right now, it's the waypoint class is chosen via what are called radio buttons, but you could also have it be a combo box. That's a sort of a drop-down list. I prefer the radio buttons. I feel like it's faster. For the notes, you can tap on that. You can add, so right now it's set to be multi-line. You could also change it to say single line if you wanted it to be more compact. I'll put it back onto multi-line. And you can include a placeholder that says, type your notes about the waypoint here. And you'll see that appears now as a kind of a light gray. It's like a hint to the user to know what they should do. You can also add a description, which will appear underneath it. It could be the same thing. You could say, enter waypoint notes. So you'll see that now that appears at the bottom of it. These are mostly cosmetic. Anytime you want to save your changes, you'll click on the little disk icon at the top. It saves these changes to the map. And now the next time you open the map, you'll see these changes that we made. And all of the users of this map will also see those changes.